Here we are developing a photocatalytic system that can produce hydrogen from water using water as a proton source. Secondly, we would like to stabilize the system under fully aerobic condition. The blueprint of our system is based on biology. Biology uses photosystem 2 where it harvests solar energy to produce chemical energy. We are going to mimic that system in a synthetic background. Over here, our system will consist of three important parts. First, there will be a photosensitizer, which will be nothing but a simple organic dye. Secondly, there will be a cobalt-based catalyst that will produce hydrogen from proton. And the third important part of this whole molecule hybrid will be a linker which will be connecting the photosystem and the catalyst. This linker will be an extension of the organic molecule, which will be nothing but a pyridine moiety which will be anchoring with the cobaloxime ligand.
The whole experimental segment is divided into three parts. First one is synthetic procedure of the complex. Second one is the characterization of the complex. The third one is the application of this complex for hydrogen production under sunlight in aerobic conditions.
First, we start the synthesis of cobaloxime. At first, we take the acetone. Then we add the dimethyl glyoxime to it and dissolve it through stirring. On the other hand, we take an aqueous solution of cobalt chloride. The aqueous solution of the cobalt chloride was added dropwise to the